Hey, good evening. XBT Trading Bitcoin Futures giving you the trading plan for Sunday evening in the Globex and on into the regular trading session in the CBOE on Monday the 4th. Shout out to my daughter. Happy birthday, Caroline. Let's take a look at the zones and see what's transpiring here. First, let me mention that we're running on an average daily range of a little right around 350 points. Our longer term time frame is still bearish, and our short term time frame is neutral, and holding above that 70.55 low, pivot low, is our bottom line of support at this moment. So that's something that obviously would need to be held. But going into tonight's market, we have initial support. We want to see what happens between our initial support and initial resistance. That's typically going to be the place where either the buying or selling will take place and moves in a direction. So with the support side, as you can see, we traded pretty much in a crummy little range there on Friday. But regardless, initial support, tight zone 74.25 to 7400, and above that our initial resistance is 74.68 to 74.85, and we'll see how the open in the Globex without if it has a gap, then obviously we'll look at zones above. So with that said, the first resistance zone above our initial resistance zone is 75.87 to 76.40. We spent a lot of time in that spot, and it's a likely spot where action will take place one way or the other. Let's look above it at 76.65 to 76.80 is our resistance zone, and further to the top we have a real tight 77.38, 77.40. But that's a real zero. That's kind of a magnet spot, and our perhaps the zone that might be reached in the Globex or perhaps the regular trading session, and that would be at a point where we perhaps could see range exhaustion because of our daily range. That's about a 300-point move, and our range is right in that ballpark. So with that said, let's see how the Globex plays out, as well as the regular trading session on Monday, June the 4th, and we'll get back with you at the end of the day and see what transpired. Hope you all have a good day.